You know why you use C++ for your applications. You need the speed, you need the lower level hardware control, but you also want to integrate AI. Let me show you how OpenVINO can seamlessly bring AI into your C++ projects with great performance on CPU, GPU, or your NPU. Search for OpenVINO, go to the download page, choose your operating system and the OpenVINO archive. Let's go to the installation instructions. I will follow the instructions step by step. Create /opt/Intel directory, go to downloads, choose your OS and get the installation package. Untar it, move it, go there and install. Now you have OpenVINO. Go to the directory and source the setup variables script, and the environment is initialized. What's next? Let's get some samples. On the sample page, link below, you can find how to get started with samples. Go to the samples directory to C++, and here you have the build samples script. You can run cmake and make manually. The instructions are there. I will just run the script. It will compile and build the samples for me. Let's go to the target directory. Let's spend a minute on the source code. You can find it under opt-Intel OpenVINO samples. We include the libraries and the header file, and here is the magic. We initialize the OpenVINO runtime. For each of the available devices in the system, we will print the supported properties. Let's run it, and you can see that my system has a CPU. These are all its properties, and GPU 0, an integrated GPU, and GPU 1, which is an Intel discrete A770 GPU. OpenVINO can easily run Inference on each of these devices. OpenVINO, your fastest way to run AI inference using the fastest language, running on CPU, GPU, or NPU. Enjoy, subscribe. Thank you.